what you guys are probably wondering. Okay, T1, big dog, big house, you little alpha male UT. That's cool. You showed us what it looked like on the outside. Showed us some of its quirks and features. Hey, Dougie. But, T, what is it packing under the fucking hood? What are you working with? Let me show you real quick. Uh-oh. Hey, be prepared to be fucking amazed. You come across, it'll reach. Step on over. Where the fuck do I hook it up at? Boys and girls! Show them the fuck. Give me the camera for a second. Oh, it can't reach, actually. I gotta back the fucking car up. You can back the car up with the fucking hood off, right? I gotta buckle up, though. Now, where the fuck was I? Hey, T, what you got under the fuck? Actually, I gotta hold this. T, what you got under the fucking hood? Boom! What's the first thing you see? When you say, with the first, boom! This Cowabunga Deluxe 87 Supreme Deline Mean Lean Fighting Bean Scene Machine Kirby engine. Right fucking there. Straight from the fucking shop, baby. Brand fucking new, baby! Cause that's how T1 do! We get the fucking best! That's what T1 do! 8 million fucking horsepower! Search the fucking market! You guys wanna fucking make jokes? Oh, T, nice fucking car, dude. Hey, nice fucking cheap car, you fucking bum. Hey, fucking, are you fucking stupid? It's called a fucking hidden OP, bitch. Learn it. 8 million horsepower. That's what I do. We also have some of this, oh yeah, this part right. Guys, if you're not a car guy like me, a lot of this is probably just going to fly over your short little heads. But Google the stuff I say, do some fucking mix and match. You understand what I'm saying? So right here, we have the Battery Pack Edition Turbo. It is crazy. This provides 255,000 watts of electricity per square unit in the vehicular mainframe of the turbo system. It's actually fucking crazy. I could probably, with this battery, I could power the entire West Coast. I'm not talking about, oh, you mean Cali, right? I'm talking fucking Washington. No. Washington's in the top left, right? Yeah. I'm talking Washington. What's above California? Above California? Oakland. Oregon. I'm talking Nevada, Oregon, New Mexico. This could power the entire state. All of them. Right fucking there. Next, you see that right there? That's called brake fluid. That's dragon piss. You know how fast a fucking dragon stops? That is their piss. It fucking, as soon as I press the brakes, I'm stopping. I'm coming to a complete fucking stop. Let me give you a slight demonstration. Hold this, please. This is what I mean by fucking stop. If I were to run straight, this is how fast it stops. F-A-S-T fast. Next, over here, this is the fuse relay center. Now, sometimes your spark plugs and shit fall out. I got 87 of these. I could open it right now for you, but I actually welded it shut for maximum security. And then lastly, but not least, we have the fucking radiator built with wind turbine engines. Yeah, those fucking windmills you see in the sky going like this in like fucking the middle of nowhere, like Kansas City. This is fucking one of those, miniaturized and injected into the fucking under the hood. That is what I'm fucking working with. Now, to put this into practice, to show you I'm not all fucking talk, real quick, we're going to do a, so this is actually a track, a practice track. We're going to do a quick run through. Time me, please. This might be fucking crazy. I'm going to do a small run through the track. Just to show you I'm not fucking all talk. Just so we're clear, Twitch, I do not have the built-in computer is not turned on. There is no Twitch chat inside there. I'm not reading chat while I'm driving. Trust me. I'm not fucking stupid.
Ew, this is all sweaty. You look great, babe. Time you? I don't have a timer. Chat will.
Just count with the chat how long this lap takes. It's one lap. You got it. Oh,
Alright, he's saying it's one lap.
One lap
around the pool. Time him. I don't have a timer, so he wants you guys to do it. When he says go, I'll tell you when. Not now, idiots. Dennis said run over Kayla. Tell me when.
Not yet.
Alpha.
Hey, let's get this show on the road. Count me down for 3. Say 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh God, he's retarded. Time? They said so fast, 13 seconds.
Let's go! I ain't playing! What I fucking say! Team 1 talks the talk! And Team 1 walks the walk! I don't care who the fuck you are! Any fucking buddy, any fucking